Good morning.
Talk to me when they kind of fly out.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am on my way to a drive-in Ribfest in Burlington. First ever drive-in Ribfest. So I'm riding shotgun with my dad.
Hello, what's up guys? It's Mama in the back.
Of course, because of COVID, we still have to be 6 feet apart. We have to keep our social distance. But they have Ribfest in every city. So there's Oakville, Burlington Ribfest. There's Toronto Ribfest. There's all over Canada. They have Rib festivals. Usually. So this year they decided on a drive-in. So I'm gonna find clips of the festivals we've been to over the years, and I'll put them somewhere on the video so you can see the difference. I don't know what to expect today because they said there will only be 4 vendors. Normally there'd be like maybe 15 different vendors, 15 different options to buy ribs from. It's usually ribs and chicken and like sausage and stuff like that. Yeah, there's pulled pork as well. There'd also normally be the food truck with like, what's that thing that's fried with the ice cream on it?
Funnel cake?
Funnel cakes. So there are usually a lot of different options, but
Some people say like their boots.
I can't wait to own my boat and just go out on the water. Guys, I have gray hair. Look at that. So we're arriving to the Burlington Mall now, and we're gonna check out Ribfest. It's free, by the way. Free. The ribs aren't free, and the entrance is free, or they usually ask you to give a donation. It's not mandatory. But we're gonna check it out now. I'm so excited. I'm so in love. I feel like I'm in love. I'm in love with them.
Turn in here.
I found quarantine, but quarantine
You gotta turn in here, baby. Look at this place. It's huge. Babe, there's so many people here. Look. Well, we're gonna get in the lineup? Huh? Are we getting in the lineup?
How else are we gonna go in? It's a drive-in.
It's gonna take you like 3 hours to get in through here.
So? On either side of the road. Look at the line, guys. Okay, guys. So we are almost at the entrance. It is now 10 minutes after 6. So it took us, I think we started at 5:41. It was 5:41. So it took us half an hour to get to the entrance. And we're not even really in yet. So we still have a little bit of a wait. Yeah. So we are at the entrance. Finally.
Alabama's prime is Camp 31.
I don't know if you guys can see the sign. Let's see.
Okay.
Camp 31.
Okay, Pete's.
So just these 4 guys here.
Pistol
I think
Pete.
you can enter.
Uncle Evans. Donate to Rotary. All donations are local. COVID relief. Thank you for your support.
Somebody has drinks on a cash and I didn't know that.
She's
finally in. We're closer to the top of the line and to the front of the line. It is 6:21. It took us 10 minutes to get from the entrance at the entrance of the parking lot to where we are now, and we are looking at the sign. We're maybe five cars away from ordering our ribs, and I'll be back when we have it in hand, or maybe when we're actually ordering. That's what I'm gonna do. So we're at Pistol Pete's, Oklahoma's Pistol Pete's, one of the 4 trucks or vendors selected this year for Ribfest. And I don't know, I've never had it before. I don't remember ever having it before. But
voted the best last in 2019.
They were voted the best sauce, vendors with the best sauce in 2019. So let's see if they'll win 2020. Mommy still look nice now. Okay guys, we got the goods.
It smells good.
Listen, it smells so good.
Where we going?
We can just park somewhere and eat. We're gonna park and we're gonna eat. We ordered 3 full racks and cornbread. Guys, I'm so excited. I'm about to open my rack, my box of rack. It looks good. Wow. Look at that. It's beautiful. Is it good?
It's really good.
Good.
It's really good.
Cornbread is good. Wow.
Cornbread?
And it was pork ribs, right? Pork ribs, right?
These ones have pork ribs, yeah.
I don't think any of them sell chicken ribs.
Chicken ribs?
I mean beef ribs. Yeah, beef ribs. I don't think so. Wow, this is really good. I don't remember it tasting so good.
Which cornbread is mine?
Let me see what the people because guys,
You get a large coke now.
I'm gonna fill up my belly now. This is really good. Is it good?
It was good.
Good? I think it's great.
It's alright.
Should I have a natural club? Do to wash it down now. But was definitely worth the wait.
1 hour exactly.
No, not an hour.
Yeah, no, till we finish eating.
Less than an hour. The line was long, but worth the wait. It was really good. Oh god, it tastes so good.
I need a little bit of salt. Is that a bear in the front of the cat?
Bye. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. I'm gonna clean my plate.
Open now. I can know your ribs. Let me taste your ribs.
It's the same thing.
Not necessarily. It's a different part from us.
No.
Different thing.
Same.
You get the China cake. With the Hong Kong food.
G4.
The G4.
You heard about that, right? It's a new strain of H1N1 flu called G4. It's affecting the pigs in China.
Oh, next month they tried to free China to break down the economy. I think it. It's a kind of warfare. Discredit the Chinese people.
I should have bought more cornbread. Oh god, the cornbread is good. It's so sad.
Spicy fire.
I'm so full. I am full. I'm so full. Oh my god. So we stopped to get something to drink because normally they'd have vendors that sell beverages and snacks and so on, separate and apart from separate and apart from the ribs. So of course they only had the rib vendors. The cornbread was so good and the ribs ribs are good. So this is another activity or event that I like to do, and it's reasonably priced. Pre-COVID, it's a place where you could hang out. Even if you weren't gonna buy food, you would have been able to browse, look at the different options for ribs and food and so on. You would have been able to get like ice cream and I keep forgetting that thing with the ice cream on it, but that is so good. Poutine and all of that. And then they would have the rides. So they had a big Ferris wheel and they had the thing where you could win a teddy bear, and they had all of that last year, pre-COVID. I'm gonna put that somewhere on the screen here so you can see. And then so this year for Canada Day so that's, you know, this year for Canada Day, post-COVID, of course, we have to keep our distance. The options are limited. You can't hang around. They had a sign that said specifically no idling, order your food, pay for your food, pick up your food and go. So we paid for our food and they sent us to drive, move forward. We got our food and then we found a parking spot at the back of the mall, because this year it was held at the Burlington Mall, and last year it was held at Sheridan College in Oakville. Is that right? Yes. But there will be more activities. I am going to work on attending or participating in activities like this, because this was really cool. So I'll keep you posted, but thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
Bye. My mom said bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye. Good night, guys. So I'm closing out this vlog. Canada Day was okay this year. I was watering the plants, and so we missed most of the fireworks, and then by the time we went up the hill they had stopped because they have a time limit. So I still caught some clips that of course would be in the video, but it was good. Look how cute my hair is. Did I show you guys my gray hair? Like 2 strands. I have one here, but it's hiding. Yeah. Okay, good night, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I get distracted so easily. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, comment. Please leave me any kind of suggestions that you have if you want. Happy Canada Day. Let's